So we're talking today about what's the difference between a will and a trust. Many people have that question. They're not sure which one do they need. Well, the biggest difference, I think, between the two is that a will requires probate and a trust, if it's properly done, does not. I always say where there's a will, there's probate. And probate is definitely something that you want to avoid. We're talking about 2 or 3 years in the court system and tens of thousands of dollars of attorneys and other fees. So we want to avoid that. So that's number one. Number two would be with a will, you actually have not done any disability planning. We often think about what happens when I pass away. But what happens when I'm still living, but I can't do what I do every day? I can't sign checks and pay my bills and run my business. Well, a will does not help with that situation because it only takes effect when you die. But a living trust takes effect both when you die and also during your lifetime during a period of disability where you have a trustee who steps in for you and can manage your affairs. So that's number two. And finally, number three is that a trust offers better protection. Protection from what? Well, from a lot of things. Maybe from your beneficiaries themselves, who might be too young or irresponsible. With the trust, we have a lot of flexibility as to how we get them the money, when we get them the money, to make sure that they're not going to become entitled or just waste the money. Also, protection from third parties. What we don't want is after you pass away for unintended beneficiaries to come into the trust and grab the money from your loved ones, such as ex-spouses of your children, creditors, or lawsuits. Do you really want these types of unintended beneficiaries grabbing your hard-earned money when you die? Probably not. And a trust, again, when it's done right, can be designed to avoid those types of problems and offer better protection. So 3 reasons: avoiding probate, disability planning, and better protection.